YouTube, man, what is good? Welcome back to another video. I got the Lamborghini out. That thing hasn't moved, bro. I try not to drive it in the rain. Windows is getting tinted. Next vlog, I promise. Next vlog, windows is getting tinted. It sounds like a four-cylinder or some shit. It sounds crazy. Twin, the V is fishbowl, bro. Shit's crazy. I don't honestly, to be honest, bro, I don't even really drive it that much to even notice that it's fishbowl. Can we go? Cause I don't drive at night. So because of my house arrest, bro, I don't drive at night. So to be honest, I just I don't know. I just be in the crib, bro. It's even like a day like today, bro. It's raining. It's a Friday, and like I'm still not doing shit. Like I don't know. I'm just chilling, bro. It's one of them days. When I tell y'all, I got a different love for this BMW shit, bro. Like this shit is just, it's a vibe. I'm like sitting back, getting a massage. I got 4 doors, more whores. Hey, please don't pull out on no dumb shit. Yo. This is not Yeet, bro. Oh, hell no. I can't even get around there. Like, what, bro? Come with me to run errands. Ugly. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Who the fuck just started that truck? Ain't nobody in there. All right, twins. So we got what we needed from the stove. The stove. The stove is crazy. Bro, this car is just... Damn, bro. Imagine it, bro. So I know, like, y'all know how, like, the M... So, like, hypothetically speaking, right? This is, like, very hypothetical, right? When I was, like... I thought, like, AMG GT, AMG E63, and AMG C63, all the 63S's and models, of course, I thought they all made the same power because they basically had the same 4.0 liter twin turbo. Then I realized they detuned it and they did this and did that and made it a little different or whatever. But in my mind, I thought they all made the same power. So I'm like, why would anybody get a GT or anybody get an E-Class when you just get a C63S? And I didn't know that the C-Class is only rear-wheel drive. So like they know what they be doing when they make them. Their little differences, like, oh, this one rear-wheel drive, this one all-wheel drive, mid-size. Get this one 13 extra horsepower and shit. Like, they be knowing what they be doing deep down inside. But peep this, though. Imagine. And y'all might say this is stupid because the motor in that car is better than the motor in this car, right? Whatever. This is just me. Imagine a G80 M3 with a S63 motor in it. If y'all don't know what an S63 motor is, it's basically the V8 twin turbo in this car, the 4.4 liter. To me, that is like the hardest shit ever, bro. That would be like the... Oh, this nigga tripping. Oh, this nigga tweaking. Buddy ass is off a perk. What? Back to what I was saying. Yes, bro. Imagine a G80 with the 4.4 liter twin turbo, bro. That shit would just hit a G-spot. Like, I don't know, bro. Like, that would just hit the G-spot. And I'd be like, oh, you gotta chill. No, bro, I'm telling you, bro. Like, that shit would be like... Because I like the V8s, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and tell y'all that... I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. Buddy ass tripping. The M3s is tough. I'm not gonna lie. I do like the look of the G80 over the F80. I would say that right now. But... I ain't gonna cap. If the M3s had the V8 motor in it, you could really compare that to the C63S because the C63S dead ass got the V8, but that's neither here or there, bro. I like the M5. The M5 is pretty cool to me. I'm gonna go this way. The M5 is obviously my cup of tea. The M8 is definitely one of them ones. Definitely my cup of tea for sure. You know the M8 is tough, bro. But I don't like the M8 two-door. I gotta have the Grand Coupe, bro. The Grand Coupe is just definitely one of them ones that you just get. Ooh, somebody got a 550 over there? All right. I'm fucking with the 550. I could have dead ass just got a 550. I mean, of course I can say that, but then me being the person I am, I'm just gonna see somebody with a comp and just be like, damn, I should have just got the comp. But now that I'm sitting back and looking, like, I'm glad I didn't just hop on the M5 wave before I did research. Like, I've been doing research, but I'm not gonna lie. I was looking at a 19 and 20 got some pretty major differences. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the gauge cluster is different. The headlights are different. Even though it's still the same non-LCI, it's different. Oh God, it's different, bro. No fucking cap. Fuck. We got the damn Honda boys out there. Alright, I ain't gonna cap. That's annoying as fuck. Let me turn this shit up. Bro, even in the rain, this car throws down, bro. She really throws down for real. What? Bro, that should be illegal, bro. You have a red and blue LED light on your bumper, bro. That needs to be illegal. But I would get pulled over for, I don't know, exhaust. Like, bro, what? Be for real, bro. Some shit just ain't fair, bro. It's really that Mopar shit, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Since I've had this car and since I've had the Lambo, not once have I gotten pulled over, bro. I used to get pulled over every week in the Charger, bro. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, bro. They are so biased. Oh, man, we just pull over cars that we think, are breaking the law. And, bro, a GSP officer told me, bro, we do take extra precautions, if that's the word to use. He'd be like, bro, we be taking extra precautions when it come to charges and challenges because they be on hot shit. I'm like, yep. That's when in my mind, I was like, yep, I'm done with Mopar. And these track cars, you used to be able to get away with the track cars, but nope. They on their ass too. On God, niggas on their ass with the track cars. I'm about to put this bitch in rear wheel drive. If I put this bitch in rear wheel drive and take it to the floor, what y'all think it'll do? I think I'm gonna be on some Hellcat type time. I'm in two-wheel drive. I think I can get a good launch with this bitch in two-wheel drive. Nope, we ain't doing that one. Switch that bitch back. What's wrong with you? Bro, intakes on this car, intake a downpipe and a tune, not a crazy downpipe, like for some reason somebody told me it's two, you can do downpipes twice. I'm assuming an uppipe and downpipe, I'm not sure. Secondary and first downpipe, some shit like that. Nothing too crazy, bro. Now I gotta get over because this lane, I'll take this. I'll take this too. But he out here tripping. Yo, do y'all fuck with that tent? That tent, like that mirror tent? Me personally, I'm not a big fan of it. I wouldn't put it on anything at all. But they do be looking cool as hell, though. Like, no bullshit. Y'all think they got a Scat Pack motor in it? 6.4 Hemi. Y'all think that's got the 392 motor in it? Like, even a little bit? I think they be capping, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. If y'all niggas getting y'all whipped and you ain't gotta do this, y'all ain't got no fast shit, bro. Just gotta remind y'all. Let's get the fuck up out of here. Let's get the fuck up out of here. God damn. Fuck. That McDonald's Sprite strong as a bitch. Oh, good God. Nah. That McDonald's Sprite is out the window, twin. Niggas gotta worry about that, you don't see me, bro? Come on, bro. Nah, you gonna take too long, bro. You gonna take way too long, bro. Let me go, bro. On God, just let me go, nigga. On God, just let me go, nigga. Don't worry, I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. Don't worry. God damn! Jesus fucking God! What, that's an M3? Fuck no. Thought that was an M3. You know what? I'm gonna gamble with this lane over here. I be fucking with this lane over here, bro. I told you I was gonna catch you. Twin them. I gotta get over. This fireman was holding me up, bro. I ain't gonna cap, bro. That nigga was in the way. I'm trying to figure out if I want to take the long way or do I want to get on the highway. I mean, I do low-key want to get on the highway, though. I do low-key need to get on the highway, though. Scat back. We finna hop on the highway. Fuck what you talking about? We is finna hop on the highway. Let me switch hands real quick. We is definitely finna get on the highway. Oh, it's the SRT8. No! 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 No, 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 no. No, we gotta catch that nigga. Oh, shit, state trooper. Fuck that state trooper, nigga. We in an MA, I don't give a fuck. Oh, God, that nigga can't catch me. Bro. No, bro. Twin. Bro, this nigga got a... It's a whole state trooper right there, bro. I low-key don't even, like, give a fuck, like... I dead ass just pull up on the side of that nigga like... Buddy, you're getting clipped, buddy. You're getting clipped, buddy. Buddy, you're getting clipped. What is that? What's that meme? It's like, brother, Brother, Bro, what is that? Brother, Brother, what is that? What is that, brother? What is that, brother? Run it, nigga. Run it, nigga. Fuck out of here, nigga. Go get you a real Hellcat, nigga. Fuck out of here, nigga. Go get you a real Hellcat, nigga. Buddy, what is that? Brother, come back, brother. Brother, what is that, brother? What is that, brother? You're getting gapped, brother. You're literally getting gapped, brother. No, stop. I'm finna leave that good man alone. And he was in the car with his girl. Nah, I swear to God, he's going home and he's taking that shit off his car tonight. He is, bro. I know for a fact that he is, bro. I can feel it deep in my soul, so he should feel it in his soul. That it's just not. It just isn't that, bro. I'm sorry, brother. I ain't gonna care. I'm finna start doing that shit to niggas that put that M shit on their car too. Cause I ain't gonna care. We don't really get on their ass as much as we should. But I'm finna be the one to do it. I ain't gonna lie. The fuck is that nigga doing? Slow your ass down. Oh my God, brother. I think I'm gonna wrap up today's video, man. Today's sponsor is who sponsored this video? BMW Motorsports. Is that what the M mean? Does it mean no? Why would it mean motorsports, bro? Am I stupid? I mean, if C means competition and CS means competition sport, then I think it means motorsport. So fuck it, it's motorsports. But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, man. If y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, bro. I ain't gonna cap, bro. Yeah, to be honest, bro, I really don't gotta subscribe to me, bro. As long if you made it this far into the video, I don't see why not. Like, you obviously either fell asleep, you're bored as hell, you like the car, or you like me, bro. Like, oh yeah, you like something about me or this video if you're still watching this video. So if you're still watching this video and you already subscribed, then comment I love you, and I'll like your comment. If anybody that comments I love you, I'll like your comment because I love you too. You made this far into the video. Congrats. You deserve a cookie. I'll catch y'all boys in the next vlog. I'm gone.